In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to recover your TikTok account using another TikTok account. This allows you to contact TikTok support directly through the app, making it easier to report the issue and verify your identity. By providing details such as your username or email associated with the lost account, you can expedite the recovery process. This method is especially useful if you've lost access to your email or phone number linked to the original account, as TikTok can use your active account to communicate and assist in restoring access. You want to select Report a Problem. Select Account Recovery. Now search for the account you want to recover. You can enter your name or email address that's linked to the account. On the account you want to recover, there's an option to request friend to verify. You must be sure you are both following each other on TikTok. Then tap on Request. Now for the friend you have requested, they just have to head to their settings and select on Security and Permissions. Then tap on Help Friends Recover Accounts. You just have to search for that specific account that sent a request of help and simply tap on it to verify. Since I have no account that requested, if I tap on any, that will say couldn't verify. Well, that's how easy it is to help your friend recover their TikTok accounts. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.